So at this stage of the flight, we are just clearly monitoring the aircraft. It has navigation lights, so I am able to see it as it does its autonomous pre-programmed waypoint navigation mission. And since it's low light, it's going to take a bit of extra time than a daylight operation because it's stopping and slowing down to take the footage for the best exposure compensation. But the imagery that we're really interested in here today is thermal photography. And that's what we have before us. And so that's what we're doing today, and that's part of the mission that we're doing at this time. The specific scan that we're doing right now is of the roof structure covering the membrane of the building, shooting direct NIDAR shots down from a 90-degree angle as the aircraft progresses on its waypoint navigation mission. Flying at night also carries with it a lot more responsibility and risks and safety considerations, because while I can see the aircraft clearly, I can't see the obstacles that are around it or potential collision hazards. So you want to really make sure you do a site survey ahead of time and make sure that you have all of your obstacles around the area noted.